he's done his own good work. Didn't do it for the government, 'cause the government's a jerk. Going down to California in a big camper van. He's gonna do his good work, then give it to the man. Give it to the man, don't like the government. He's done his good work, not for the government though, 'cause they're a jerk.